Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to mine Saitama INU token on any computer or laptop. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. For mining Saitama INU token on any computer, laptop or any gaming PC, you need the best hardware components, fast internet connection, and a wallet address. So in here I will open the browser. Before navigating to the mining process, and navigate to IntoCrypto. Check out the videos, mining tutorials, Binance tutorials, and other coin reviews. So here for mining the Saitama INU token, open a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable.com is a pool also, and here they have their own official miner. So you can see here is still the people, they have mined 554 Bitcoin using the unmineable miner. And here you can see Saitama INU. For starting the mining process, minimize the window. Here I will create a new folder and type it Saitama. Once the folder is successfully created, navigate to Windows Security. Click on the virus in threat protection. Here scroll down, click on the manage settings. Now again scroll down here. You have to add the folder in exclusion window. For this purpose, click add or remove exclusions. Select the add an exclusion, select the folder, select the Saitama INU created folder. Once the Saitama INU folder successfully added to the Windows Security exclusion window, close the Windows Security. Why we are performing this task? Because the third-party softwares or the miner softwares are a threat or harmful for the Windows operating system. In this case, if there is Windows Security or any other antivirus, automatically the antivirus will delete the miner softwares. So here again I will go back to the unmineable.com, click on the download. Here right click on this. You can save the link as, or you can download with any IDM download manager. So here I will download it with the IDM. Select this three dot, select the desktop, select the Saitama, and click on save and start download. So as I've already downloaded, so there is no need to download it again. I will simply click on the cancel. Now minimize this window. Here I will copy this and paste it to the Saitama folder. Here right click and extract here. Once the unmineable miner successfully extracted, double click to launch the miner. Here you can see the fastest and easiest way to start mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on continue. The best feature is having this miner is, you can see these two categories available on the main window. Here you can select GPU or CPU. You can mine Saitama INU token with CPU and GPU. So in this case I will select the CPU and click on next. Here select a coin or token. I will type Saitama, and here you have to enter your wallet address. In this case I will open the Trust Wallet. If you don't know how to download and install the Trust Wallet on your Windows PC, I will provide you the link in the below down description. Simply navigate to the description and click on the link and open and learn how to install the Trust Wallet on your Windows operating system. So once the Trust Wallet is successfully opened, here click on this option and type Saitama. Click on the receive, copy the address, here paste it. Once you have pasted the wallet address, click on the start, or you can set a referral code for your Saitama INU token. So in this case, I don't want to create the referral code, and if you want to use my referral code, I will provide you the link in the below down description. So click on the start to start mining Saitama INU. Now it starts mining Saitama INU token. Here is the last 24-hour reward, the total paid, the last payment now, and here payouts from 7 million Saitama. So click on the setting to bring some changes to the setting. Here you can select your mining intensity, you can select high setting for mining, and you can set a custom setting for yourself. Here you can set a custom worker name, you can set a referral code. If you want to bring changes to the mining, here click on save and restart. So in this case I'm not bringing any changes, simply I will click on the close. you can see it starts mining, and the current hash rate is over 700 per second. It's giving the perfect hash rate on my laptop. So for checking the status of mining, click on the status to open the unmineable.com. Once this window open, here you can check auto pay every 12 hours starting at this time, and here you can check the workers, the payments, the referral code. If you share your referral code with your friends, with other people, you can, once they have started mining, you can earn 0.25% of the reward. So it's perfectly mining Saitama INU token on any computer or laptop or any Windows operating system. So guys, this is the way how you can mine Saitama INU coin on any Windows or laptop. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will catch you in the next one.